Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of the 6 most valuable, ultra-rare coins ever discovered. These are not just pieces of metal, they are hidden treasures capable of changing fortunes. Stay with me as we uncover their mystery, unheard value, and the incredible stories behind them. Don't forget, and let's begin this exciting journey into the world of rare coins. First up, the 1926 Lincoln wheat penny is not just a coin. It is a relic of history wrapped in copper, carrying with it the whispers of fortune and destiny. Minted nearly a century ago at the Denver Mint, this small piece of metal holds unimaginable power in the hands of its owner. It's a coin that collectors dream about, a symbol of luck, rarity, and hidden treasure. Every scratch, every curve of Lincoln's portrait tells a story of time, mystery, and value that could transform an ordinary person into a millionaire overnight. What makes the 1926 wheat penny so extraordinary is not just its age, but its scarcity in pristine condition. Most of these coins circulated heavily during the Great Depression era, worn down by time and hardship. Finding one today in near-perfect condition, with sharp details and its original red luster, is like discovering a lost diamond among stones. Such a coin is a time capsule, untouched by the years, and that untouched beauty is what sends its worth skyrocketing to the level of dreams. The Denver Mint mark, a small D beneath the date, is what ignites excitement among coin experts and treasure seekers alike. While millions were minted, only a handful survived the test of time with immaculate features. This D may look small, but it represents destiny. It's the mark that separates an ordinary coin from a coin that could buy a mansion, a car collection, or even change generations of wealth. The 1926 D is a perfect storm of rarity, history, and desirability that makes it one of the most talked about Lincoln pennies in American numismatic history. Imagine holding it in your palm, that warm copper glow reflecting history back at you. Each line of Lincoln's face, each wheat stalk on the reverse, carries the mark of America's endurance. During its time, one penny could buy a loaf of bread or a newspaper. Today, this same coin could buy an entire estate. That transformation from a humble cent to a coin of fortune is what makes it so magical and awe-inspiring. Collectors around the world chase this coin with fierce passion. When one surfaces in top condition, auctions come alive with roaring bids. Prices can surge into hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars when the coin displays its full brilliance. And those who own such a treasure know they're holding a piece of American legacy, one that doesn't just represent money, but power, rarity, and prestige beyond measure. The 1926 Lincoln wheat penny has earned its legendary status because it captures everything people love about rare coins: history, beauty, and wealth combined. Each genuine example is a whisper from the past, a reminder that value is not always born from gold or silver. Sometimes it's hidden in a humble copper coin. This particular penny has proven again and again that fortune favors the persistent and the observant, those who dare to look at the ordinary and see the extraordinary. If you happen to find a 1926 wheat penny in your collection, treat it like a royal jewel. Never sell it cheaply. Never underestimate its worth. It could be the very coin that writes your name into the story of numismatic legends. Experts agree that one flawless specimen could change a life forever. It's not just a coin, it's a key to financial rebirth, a symbol of luck that carries the weight of destiny. So look carefully through your old jars, drawers, and inherited coin boxes, because somewhere, hidden in plain sight, there may lie a 1926 Lincoln wheat penny waiting to unveil its unimaginable worth. And when you find it, remember, this is not just a cent. It's a symbol of fortune, a whisper of history, and a miracle of copper that has the power to make you a billionaire overnight. The aura surrounding the 1926 Lincoln wheat penny goes beyond mere collector's fascination. It represents the thrill of discovery itself. Every time someone uncovers one from an old coin roll or inherited chest, it's as if history itself smiles upon them. The penny's existence reminds us that hidden wealth can be found in the most unexpected places, waiting for the right person with sharp eyes and a bit of faith. It's not just metal and minting. It's a lesson in patience, destiny, and the incredible potential of what's often overlooked. Owning a 1926 D wheat penny is like holding a golden ticket to the past and the future at once. It connects generations, from the hands of early 20th century Americans to the modern dreamers who value its magic today. Whether kept as a family heirloom or sold at an elite auction, this coin carries an energy of transformation. It whispers a truth few believe until it happens, that a small piece of copper, born in a time of hardship, can rise through history and bestow unimaginable wealth upon its discoverer, proving once again that true fortune often hides in the simplest of things. Second, the 1932 D. Lincoln wheat penny is a coin shrouded in mystery, rarity, and unimaginable value. Minted at the Denver Mint during one of the hardest economic times in American history, the Great Depression, this coin stands as a symbol of endurance, luck, and hidden fortune. Its small copper frame may appear ordinary to the untrained eye, but to those who understand its true worth, it's a masterpiece of history and wealth. Many collectors call it the silent millionaire, because this humble penny has the power to transform an ordinary life into a story of sudden prosperity. The reason behind its immense value lies in its extreme scarcity. The 1932 D wheat penny was produced in limited quantities, and most of those that entered circulation were quickly worn out through heavy use. People in those desperate times never imagined that the coins passing through their hands could one day be worth millions. That's what makes an untouched, well-preserved 1932 D penny so extraordinary. It's not just rare, it's nearly mythical. Its sharp details, radiant copper-red tone, and intact surfaces turn it from a simple cent into a golden opportunity cloaked in copper. The small D mint mark beneath the date on this coin holds enormous significance. It is the mark of the Denver Mint, the signature of rarity and value. Every coin that bears it carries a story of survival through the Depression, of families saving what little they had, of a nation enduring hardship. But among those coins, the few that remain in perfect or near-perfect condition are the ones that collectors would spend fortunes to possess. The D mark turns an old penny into a piece of American royalty in the world of numismatics. Picture this. A coin once used to buy a newspaper or a piece of candy now being worth more than a luxury car, a grand mansion, or even a private jet. That is the miracle of the 1932 D wheat penny. Its transformation from a symbol of everyday struggle to an emblem of luxury and success is breathtaking. When held in your hand, it doesn't just feel like money, it feels like destiny itself. Every curve of Lincoln's face, every grain of wheat on the reverse, glows with history and promise. Collectors from across the globe relentlessly search for this coin, hoping to find even one example in pristine shape. Auctions have seen fierce bidding wars erupt when a 1932 D appears, as its value can soar to life-changing amounts. It's not just the material worth that excites people, it's the story it carries, the sense that you are touching a piece of America's soul. This coin isn't just bought and sold. It's celebrated, revered, and passed down as a legacy of both beauty and power. What makes this penny even more remarkable is its timelessness. While technology has changed, empires have risen and fallen, and currencies have evolved, the 1932 D wheat penny continues to rise in prestige. Its demand never fades because it represents more than money. It's the dream of finding something so rare, so magnificent, that it changes your destiny forever. It proves that history rewards those who pay attention to the details. If you are lucky enough to have one of these coins, guard it with pride and wisdom. Never let it slip away at a low price, because what you possess is not merely a collectible, it's a hidden fortune. Each genuine 1932 D Lincoln penny carries the power to rewrite your financial future, to elevate your name among the greats of coin collecting, and to remind you that miracles often come disguised as ordinary things. So, Check your coin jars, your family heirlooms, your forgotten boxes of change. The next coin you hold might be that legendary 1932 wheat penny, the one capable of turning dreams into reality, poverty into abundance, and an ordinary person into a millionaire overnight. It is a copper masterpiece, a relic of America's past, and a symbol of unstoppable luck waiting for the right hands to uncover its magic. The 1932 Lincoln wheat penny carries with it an unshakable sense of mystery and magic. Each time a collector encounters this rare gem, there's a heartbeat of wonder, the feeling that destiny has placed history directly in their palm. Its reddish-brown glow seems to whisper stories of the Great Depression, when every coin mattered and hope was scarce. Yet now, that same coin shines as a symbol of reward for those who believe in the unexpected. It reminds us that treasures aren't always hidden in mountains or oceans. Sometimes, they lie quietly in our pockets, waiting for the right moment to reveal their brilliance. Owning a 1932 wheat penny is more than a matter of wealth. It's a mark of legacy. It connects you to a time when America was rebuilding its spirit, and Lincoln's image stood for perseverance. To hold this coin is to hold courage, strength, and the enduring promise of the American dream. Those who possess it don't just own a piece of metal. They own a piece of history that carries the power to change everything. A symbol